Hello, friends. Here is your directions for the back side of your word work on Tuesday. So on this one, instead of looking at collective nouns, we are going to be looking at proper nouns. So proper nouns means I'm talking about a specific place. Like instead of saying I'm going to the store, and store is a common noun. It does not need capitalize. It's just any store that I could be talking about. But if I say I'm going to Walmart, then I would capitalize the W in Walmart. Walmart is a proper noun. It's a specific place that I'm talking about. It's a business. So it needs capitalized. If I'm saying that I'm going to take a vacation, maybe out of state, state doesn't need to be capitalized. It is a place, but it's just any state. It's just in general a state. It's a common noun. But if I say I'm taking a vacation to Wisconsin, then I would have to capitalize the W in Wisconsin because that's a specific state. It needs capitalized. It's a proper noun. So in these sentences, you're going to be looking at the underlined noun, and you're going to be deciding whether it's a common noun or it's a proper noun. So think about, is it just a place or a person or a thing in general, like saying teacher? That's a common noun, no capitalization. But when you say the name of a teacher, like Mrs. Eckert, you'd have to capitalize the M in Mrs. and capitalize the E in Eckert because that's my name. So if you look at the first sentence, it says, the penguins came from Antarctica. Now you'll notice Antarctica is capitalized. That's a continent. So that's a specific place. There are 7 continents, and this is one of them. So it has to be capitalized. It's a proper noun. You read the next one. Some birds were building nests. So looking at the word nests, would you think that's a common noun or a proper noun? We saw a herd of elephants. Now remember what you learned in our last lesson on Monday. Is herd a proper noun or a collective noun? The pelicans came from Florida. Now, you're not looking at Florida, you're looking at pelicans. Common or proper? The flock of sheep fed on grass. Is that a proper noun or a collective noun? Her birthday is in February. Is that collective or is that proper? So make sure for each of these 6 sentences you have circled either common or proper, or proper or collective, deciding what type of noun we are talking about.